Okay, makeup lovers, if you haven't discovered this Milk Hydro Grip Primer for yourselves yet, it's time. In my opinion, it's the best primer out there. The first time I tried it, I got a sample in this sort of gift bag thingy, and I was like, what the heck is this sticky slime? Yes, it does leave a tacky or grippy texture on the face, but it's not slimy. It's a moisturizing gel base. The texture does mean, though, that anything you put over it is going to stay in place. It's very effective not only in getting your makeup to look the way you want it to, but for keeping it there as well, all day. It also works in hot weather. It's got that gotta have it moisturizing hyaluronic acid in it. It's free of silicone, reduces that orange peel look when you've got big pores, and it mattifies your skin finish, something I really appreciate. A little bit of a dewy look is acceptable, but personally, I'm not a fan of shiny skin. I also find it highly effective under eye makeup. And hey, this smaller bottle is great to throw in your travel bag. But next time, I'm getting the larger one. And I'm 57 years old, by the way, so this does work for the older gals. Highly recommend.